it is currently Monday, August, oh, I actually don't know what day it is. It's a Monday. I am moving back to live on campus on Wednesday, and I've barely started packing. I have a lot of errands to run, and it was about time I started my college packing vlog for the last time ever since I'm going into my senior year. And at the moment, I'm full of regret after sleeping with my hair in braids because it's out of control. Like, I thought it would turn into cute waves, but like, this is a mess. Anyways, just started my morning, just threw in some laundry, and once I figure out what to do with my hair, because this is ridiculous, I'm actually going to be heading out right away. First thing, I'll get some breakfast, and then I'm hoping to get my car washed at the Nissan dealership, and then make a Target run and go to the post office. Oh my gosh, so many things to do this morning. Well, I just finished with getting my car washed. I thought that they would also vacuum the inside since I went to the dealership, but they didn't, and they just washed the outside. And now I'm in the Target parking lot, and I have a few things I need to pick up. This isn't necessarily like a huge back to school shopping trip because unlike past years, I'll actually have a car on campus, so I'll just do like a big Target run once I get to Milwaukee in a few days. Okay, I was in there for much longer than anticipated. My errands are not over. I have to go to the post office. Okay, so it's been a few hours since I last updated you guys in the vlog. I clearly put on a little bit of a face of makeup, and I was filming a haul that will be going up on my channel probably before this. But my friends are now here, hello, and we are actually gonna have ourselves a cute little day in downtown Geneva, Illinois. And yeah, just like one last opportunity to hang out and go do some window shopping, maybe eat something, I don't know. We're gonna have a cute afternoon. We're at lunch now after walking around some of the shops here. We all ordered mac and cheese and chicken tenders, so you know, we love being 21 and ordering kids food. Hey guys, it is currently the next day, and not only is it the next day, but it's also almost 4:30 in the afternoon. So it really pains me when I say that I've barely scratched the surface of packing. It's just been absolutely insane to me that this is my last full day at home for the longest time. Like, going into this school year, I'm excited, obviously, and I'm looking forward to being on campus, but for the first time ever with going back to school, I also have this like little mini feeling of dread of like the unknown, and honestly I'm just worried about all the uncertainty that this semester holds. I'm gonna be living in my sorority house for a second year in a row, so I was able to store a bunch of my stuff over there over the summer, so I do have a lot less to pack, but this is also the latest that I've ever started packing because I'm usually starting like a week in advance. Anyways, enough chit-chatting and time to get down to business. I've already started with this bin and all of my blankets, towels, sheets, and then I have a pile over here of my shoes that I have packed in this cardboard box, as well as the hats and bags that I'm bringing with me. It feels a little bit silly bringing heels with me to campus since I don't actually know if I'll end up wearing them, but I'm going with the mentality of it's better to be safe than sorry. I saw a TikTok the other day where someone said that packing for college this semester is kind of like packing for The Bachelor, because you don't know how long you're gonna stay. You don't know if you're only gonna last the first night, the first week. Are you staying until the end? But because I have to get a move on, I'm going to turn on an hour-long Dax Shepard podcast. I'm gonna do nothing but pack during that time, and of course film some time lapses along the way, but I'll check in with you guys once the podcast is over and hopefully more progress has been made.
I've been thinking about you day and night, ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes. There was something that I just couldn't deny. Something starts to burst in my chest deep inside. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna die. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you. Alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do.
Alright, well, podcast is over. I've made some pretty good progress. This entire duffel bag you guys saw, I packed full of my t-shirts and long sleeve and tank tops and shorts, so this is like, I can't fit any more in this. Then this plastic bin, I actually took my bedding out and put it in a bag instead, and it perfectly fits all of my sweatshirts and sweaters. I'm currently trying to figure out my like pants situation, because first of all, this really goes to show that I have too many jeans and I'm therefore not allowed to buy anymore. But my hope was that I could fit all of my long pants, so jeans, leggings, and sweatpants, into this suitcase. But I also wanted to fit like my pajamas and like underwear and socks in there. And I just don't think that's gonna happen. So I'm either going to end up putting my pants in with my bedding in that bag, or I'm gonna get a bigger suitcase. What else have I finished? Oh, this little corner of my little bench seat is actually all of the school and notebook and binder supplies that I had brought back home with me. So these I'm gonna fit into my backpack. Overall though, I feel like I'm making pretty good progress for a small amount of time. Last night I actually made this little packing list of everything that I needed to make sure that I didn't forget. So I've got a lot of check marks going on here. I'm going to pack my jewelry and toiletries next. My camera's starting to show some signs of low battery right now though, so I'm gonna plug you guys in and then probably have dinner with my family since they'll be here soon, and then do a little bit of a late night check-in before I start packing up my car. All right, one camera charge, one dinner, and a lot of progress later. We are nearing the end of the night. I ended up sticking with the smaller suitcase because I forgot that I had my hamper that I could also pack. The last two major things that I have left to do are to pack my hanging clothes, which I'm only bringing this like small section right here, into garbage bags. And then I also need to pack my toiletries because I'm waiting until after I shower to do that. And my dad helped me out with filling up my car with all of my things, so I'll take you down to the garage right now to show you the progress. All right, I'm in my garage now and we closed the garage door, so I'll just show you my trunk in the morning. Not to mention that I have black interiors and we're using black trash bags to pack my clothes, but ended up sticking all those hanging clothes into these garbage bags. But I'll do a better job of showing you guys how the car looks tomorrow morning once it has like the final items in it and there's better lighting. Well, it is now much later. I've showered, my hair is air drying, the makeup has come off and glasses are on, but I just wanted to check in with you guys because I just finished packing up all of my toiletries. I used the exact same bin that I have for the last 3 years, so I decided that it wasn't really necessary to show you guys my process, but I did manage to pack this entire bin full, and I'll be wrapping this in a garbage bag tomorrow to make sure that nothing falls out on the drive to Milwaukee. But it is late and my eyes are like closing on me as we speak, so I'm gonna go to bed and I'll check in with you guys in the morning before I leave. Alright, well it's the next morning. I am about to leave, but I did want to show you guys the packed car. As always, we've managed to pack the entire thing full, so I've got clothes, shoes, food items, as well as all of my sweatshirts, and then all of my hanging clothes in the trash bags, as well as my laundry hamper, backpack, literally everything you could think of I've stuffed into the car. But that is going to be everything for this video. I feel like it was a little bit low energy, but if I'm being honest, this is the most emotional that I've ever been leaving home. I literally could cry thinking about it right now. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys are leaving for college and you feel sad, it's okay. Oh my god. You know, it happens. I've always been excited to go to school, but this year especially. I've cried so much in the last 24 hours. This is such a weird way to end the video, but like, I really do need to get going, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay smiling. Hey guys, Veronica from the future. I could not just end the video on that note, and I just wanted to come in here and let you know that like, I am okay. I was just very emotional at the time, but I wanted to leave that little snippet in the video just to show that even though I am going into my senior year and I'm very happy now that I'm at school, I still have my moments of feeling sad. I'd hung out with my parents for like 6 months straight during quarantine, and as an only child, I'm so close to them and I was so sad to be leaving. So I just wanted to reaffirm, if any of you are at college and you're struggling and you're homesick, no worries, you're not alone. But that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, even though I did get emotional on you. And as you see, sneak peek of my college dorm, that will be probably coming in the next video. So stay tuned to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!